Have you ever wondered why some people find it so easy to save every penny, while others can't resist the latest gadget or a spontaneous trip? You might look at your friend's growing savings account with envy, while they marvel at your adventurous life. The truth is, the decision to spend or save isn't just about discipline or willpower. It's driven by powerful, subconscious forces deep within our minds, what we can call our financial archetypes. Understanding which one guides you is the first step toward mastering your money and achieving true financial freedom. So, what are these hidden forces? Think of them as the 4 pillars of your financial personality, each with its own unique motivations and desires. Let's explore them. First, we have the hoarder. This archetype is the ultimate saver. For the hoarder, security is paramount. They find immense comfort in watching their bank account grow, seeing their digital vault fill with assets. Every dollar saved is a brick in the fortress they build against uncertainty. The thought of a rainy day doesn't scare them. It motivates them to prepare. They are cautious, diligent, and master planners. Their biggest fear is losing control and being unprepared for the future. While this prudence is a great strength, the challenge for the hoarder is to learn that money is also a tool to be used for enjoyment and growth, not just something to be accumulated and protected. Next up is the spender, the polar opposite of the hoarder. The spender lives for the moment. They see money as a means to experience all the joy and excitement life has to offer. For them, happiness comes from new experiences, beautiful things, and sharing generosity with others. They are often the life of the party, bringing energy and fun wherever they go. They thrive on the thrill of a new purchase, a luxurious vacation, or a fancy dinner. The spender's gift is their ability to enjoy the present moment fully. Their challenge, however, is to balance immediate gratification with long-term financial stability, ensuring that today's fun doesn't compromise tomorrow's security. Then we meet the altruist. This archetype is driven by a deep sense of purpose and a desire to make a positive impact on the world. For the altruist, wealth isn't about personal gain. It's a resource to help others and support causes they believe in. They find fulfillment in giving, whether it's donating to charity, supporting their community, or helping a friend in need. Their financial decisions are guided by their heart and their values. The altruist's strength is their immense compassion and generosity. Their journey is to ensure they also take care of their own financial well-being, remembering that securing their own oxygen mask first allows them to help others more effectively in the long run. Finally, there's the innovator. This archetype is the visionary, the risk-taker, the builder. The innovator sees money as a tool to create, to invent, and to bring new ideas to life. They are natural entrepreneurs and investors, always looking for the next big opportunity. They are comfortable with risk because they have a strong belief in their ability to generate more wealth. They thrive in dynamic environments, launching startups, investing in cutting-edge technology, and building empires. The innovator's power lies in their vision and courage. Their main task is to temper their appetite for risk with sound strategy and due diligence, ensuring their bold moves are calculated, not just reckless. So, which one are you? The cautious hoarder, the joyful spender, the compassionate altruist, or the visionary innovator? Most of us are a blend, but one archetype usually takes the lead. The key isn't to change who you are, but to understand your natural tendencies and leverage them. This is where modern technology comes in. Imagine having a tool that understands your unique financial personality. AI-powered wealth management platforms can now analyze your habits, Identify your archetype and create a personalized strategy that works with your nature, not against it. It can help the hoarder find safe ways to grow their money, guide the spender toward a budget that still allows for fun, show the altruist how to maximize their impact, and provide the innovator with the data to make smarter risks. By understanding your inner financial driver and pairing that knowledge with the right tools, you can finally take control. You can stop fighting against your instincts and start building a financial future that feels both secure and fulfilling. You can look at your finances not with anxiety, but with confidence and empowerment. It's time to unlock your financial success by embracing who you truly are. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you see your finances in a new light, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights on mastering your money. See you in the next one.